Hi, I'm Ryan with the Talos Tech team, and I'm here to show you how to upload a task file, that being a KML or shapefile, to your Talos T60X remote. So at the very bottom of the remote, there's a little cover that you'll just have to pop out, and that is where you will insert your SD card. So put that in, and you can see here in the top right, you can see SD card inserted. So we'll just tap that. And you can see there's no files or anything on this SD card. And actually it'll tell you right here. So you can place the task files in a folder called the aggro routes, or shapefiles in aggro shapefile, or KML files in the aggro KML file. So I'll show you how to do that right now over on the computer. And to eject the micro SD card, just swipe down and select eject. And then everything good to go. All right, so now we are onto our computer. So I will plug in the SD card. And once that pops up, and you'll be in your SD card folder. So you will create a new folder. So right click, new folder, title it aggro. Now, this is where you will be placing all of your task files, but they each need to be separated into its own folder. So, for example, for shapefile, we just create a folder called shapefile and a separate folder for routes, and then another folder for KML files. So this is how you want to type it out. Now, I just downloaded some random shapefiles and random KML files just off the internet. So for uploading a shapefile, we'll go here. And when you download a shapefile, it'll give you more than just a shapefile. You'll want to copy all of these information onto that folder. And for KML file, it is the same process. So you'll get your task, throw it into the KML file folder. And then once you're done, eject your SD card and should be good to go. So we're gonna go onto the controller again. All right, so now that we have our files and folders created, we'll just reinsert that SD card. Look it in. And again, in the top right, it shows SD card inserted. So anytime you'll have an SD card inside your remote, there will be an icon pretty much in the top right where you can access that quickly. So we'll just tap that again. And here you can see the files that I uploaded onto the remote. It puts everything into just this one little storage area. So we have both our shapefile and our KML file here. And to import that, you just select both of them or select one of them and select import. And again, just to show really quick, the SD card icon will just stay in the top right, so you always have quick access to uploading any sort of file. And again, to eject, we just swipe down and press eject. All right, again, I'm Ryan with the Talos Tech team, and that is how you upload task files onto your Talos T60X remote.